Hey guys, so for today's video I am going to be doing a get ready with me, full face hair, and my outfit. So let's just go ahead and get right into the video. Alright, so I put up a little question poll on Instagram for you guys to ask me some questions. If you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow me because I do this kind of often. I just wanted something to talk about while I do this video. So I'm going to skip through my brows as always because y'all know I'm really bad at talking and doing my brows at the same time. And I did something new. I actually shaved off the ends of my eyebrows. I don't know. Me and my friend were just like, let's do it. Let's see what it looks like. I actually kind of like it, but I'm gonna speed through doing them, and I will link my brow tutorial in the description box. Okay, brows done. This is like a Thanksgiving get ready with me, even though I'm not going anywhere for Thanksgiving. I hope that you guys aren't going anywhere for Thanksgiving, but if you are, stay as safe as possible because obviously cases are surging again and we're pretty much back on lockdown. So I don't have any plans for the holiday besides just staying at home with my parents, safe, quarantined, away from everyone else. So regardless, I always like to serve a nice little Thanksgiving look, so I thought it would be fun to go ahead and film a video and then do a little chit chat. So you guys asked me some questions on Instagram and I'm just gonna answer them while I'm doing my makeup. First question is my favorite fashion trend. I don't really know if I have a favorite trend. I feel like I have a bunch of different fashion interests, I guess, or looks or style. I have a lot. I like a good streetwear. I like to kind of mix street with maybe a preppy or I don't know, just all types of styles mixed together. Also running out of my Juvia's Place concealer. If you guys look into purchasing this concealer, it's great. I love it, don't get me wrong, but it leaves really fast. I was not expecting to run out of this so quickly. I feel like I barely answered that fashion trends question, but it's genuinely just because my style is all over the place at the moment and I'm kind of trying to figure out where my main sense of style comes from. But I just love all types of looks. It depends on the day and my mood what I want to dress like. Normally it always depends on that. Next question is, what's one thing you want to get done before the year is over? This is a really good question, but I feel like before the year is over, I really want to just get procrastination completely out of my system. It's getting better. I'm a sucker for I'll do it tomorrow, I'll do it later, and I feel like that contributes so much stress because I could just get it done, but then I don't get it done because I'm stressed about getting it done. It's so stupid. Procrastination is literally the biggest trick because it's literally you just pushing it off because you're stressed about not getting it done. But if you would just do it, then you wouldn't be stressed. I could control a lot of stress that I'd be under if I would just get it done. I ordered more setting powder along with some more concealer, but this COVID shipping, child, it is nowhere near here yet. And I needed to film this today, so I am still using the last of the Sacha Buttercup. Really gonna miss using her because when the new powder gets here, it is a wrap. I can't wait to try that. Next question is, give us a positions ranking. Oh my god, it's impossible for me to rank the entire album. I genuinely love every single song. Safety Net has been the vibe for the day, so I'm just gonna go with saying Safety Net is my favorite song right now. If you guys have not strained positions, definitely strained positions, okay? Any advice for people trying to grow a consistent and strong relationship with God? Oh my gosh, girl. I definitely would say the biggest thing that I've learned is pay attention to where you're devoting like most of your time. So like if you're trying to build a stronger and like closer relationship with God, then you need to devote some of the time that you spend doing everything else to spending time with God, literally, like reading your Bible, praying, fasting, like whatever that may be. Like, do that instead of maybe like turning on Netflix or talking to your friends or listening to music. Like, you have to implement it into your day. It's just like if you were to have a regular relationship with another human. Like, you're not just gonna get that relationship by not spending any time with them or by not knowing anything about them. So you have to put in the time and balance out, your life and the things that you just enjoy doing with literally getting to know God and like developing a relationship. Set aside some time in your day where like for this hour, like I'm just gonna spend time reading the Bible or like studying or whatever it is. Set some time aside to kind of like discipline yourself so that it'll become easier for you to just naturally do it. Stay mentally healthy while having a following on social media. So I don't have like a huge following right now, but it's coming. It's coming. Like, I'm going to get there, but I don't have a huge following right now. However, it is like kind of difficult to stay like consistent and everything with social media, because when you're having like a bad just day or just like not in the mood, you can't really like skip posting or doing what you need to do to stay present on social media, because then you're not growing and you're not being productive. But if you follow me on Instagram, you will notice that recently I have been like adding a lot of like motivational, inspirational, very like positive captions to my photos. And most of those, actually, literally all of them, have just been lessons that I have been learning or lessons I have learned to kind of share with you guys. So I think that through social media, I am learning more about myself, which kind of helps me to cope mentally. It's like if I have a bad day, I can share like with you guys what I do when I have a bad day, or something encouraging to kind of turn your day around. Or if you had a bad day yesterday, you could have a better one the next day. So I kind of look at it like that and just remember like what it is that I'm doing this for. Like, why do I want a platform on social media? It's not just to be successful, but to actually have something to offer to people in their lives, have a message, have some sort of like positive influence on people that are following me and paying attention to me. So I look at it that way instead of just like obsessing with numbers and stuff like that, because that is horrible and it will drive you insane. Just like step back from the numbers. Like, I know it's important to like, for a social media following to know what your engagement is like and all that stuff. But if you focus too much on it, I feel like that's super weighing on you mentally and just not good at all. Post and I will get thee out of the app, okay? Because it's good to be present and just remember that social media is not real. Like, it's real, but it's not your everyday all day reality. Like, you have a life to live outside of Instagram and Twitter and Snapchat and whatever else. So I like to keep that in my mind, and normally it goes very well. I'm using the Chocolates by Juvia's Place. Next question is, how do you stay so consistent with Instagram? Literally every day it's a new serve, and I do not know how you do it. Thank you. Normally for Instagram, I will do my hair, do my makeup, and I will do like 5 outfit changes in a day, and I will get like all my pictures for the week. Just kind of plan out what I want my feed to look like, what type of colors I want to wear, if I want like a plant in the back or not. And I'm quarantined, so it's pretty easy for me to keep up with my feed because there's not like that many options in my house. Like it's either going to be a blank wall or it's going to be a blank wall with a plant. There's not that many different things for me to do, and I'll just switch up my poses and my outfits. But most of the time, all the pictures that you see throughout like the span of a week were taken in one day. So I don't like take pictures every single day because that's just way too much. I got a gazillion questions about that. So that's how I do it. I normally just plan out my outfits and then I will shoot them all in one day. Next question is, how did you develop so much confidence in yourself? It literally radiates every time I see you and I love it. It's so attracting. Thank you so much. I do have a whole like pep talk about confidence, so I will link that in the description box below and you can watch that because I go like fully into detail about how I built up my confidence, because I feel like this is a loaded answer that can't just be answered in a few minutes. So I definitely recommend that you go check out that video. If you're not at the place where you seem to think that I am or anyone else that you see is at, like I promise you'll get there. Check out that video and DM me anytime any other questions that you have. Are you talking to anyone right now, and what are your thoughts on dating? So my thoughts on dating is like, I don't do it. It's sooner than later that I want to date. But I have standards for myself, and I feel like if I know off the bat that you don't even meet those requirements, then why would I waste my time? Like, why would I entertain you? Even if you're cute and you're like a decent guy, it's just like if you don't have the most important things to me that I need to see in a man, then it's just like I'm not even gonna waste my time talking to you or getting to know you or dating you because I know it's not gonna work. Like, so why even entertain that? I'm not like closed off to dating. I'm not like you shouldn't date, you blah blah blah. Like, I don't feel like that at all. I actually would love to experience it. I'm just very selective and picky with my time and who I give it to. So, if that person appears that I feel I can give my time to, I will. Or I am, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna pop on some falsies really quick. It's probably gonna be the last question because I'm gonna just do a speed through my hair and then show you guys my outfit. But it says, are you crushing on anyone right now? I don't know what's with y'all and all these relationship questions. Like, oh my gosh, girl. I do have a crush on someone. I always have a crush on someone, and they almost never know. So I feel like a crush like isn't even that deep. Like, you know, like when I crush on someone, it's literally just like I think like they're so cute, you know, or like so talented at something. Like, it's not ever normally like a I like you. Like, to me, I like you and having a crush on you are two different things. So when it's a crush, it's normally a secret, and it's just like you're pleasing to look at, literally. Time to get this hair done, child. Quickly, just want to talk to you guys about what's in my hair right now. I have some extensions from insert name here. I've been hearing so much about them, so I wanted to try it out. I did not get their human ones because that was just like a lot of money to spend for me to just kind of be wanting to see if I even like having extensions in, and I don't. I would never purchase extensions ever again. I'm currently just still using these because sometimes I like to switch my hair up after I wash it. Like, I don't like to just go right in and slick it right back into a ponytail. I try to do something a little bit different. But yeah, I hate extensions. Never will purchase them again. Never will wear them again. Anyways, I'm gonna just speed through doing my hair really quickly and then show you guys the outfit. For my outfit, I am wearing this sweater like cardigan that I got from Shein, and this beautiful like burnt orange kind of brown color. And then I'm wearing these skinny jeans from Fashion Nova. and they have the rips in them all the way down. My bag is also from Shein. I think this is like a really pretty dupe for like a Louis Vuitton or something from far away. That's kind of what it looks like. For shoes, I am wearing my Air Jordan 1s, the mochas, and that is my outfit. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. My battery is literally about to die, so I'm rushing this. If you guys enjoyed, definitely be sure to thumbs up, comment down below what other videos you want to see. I hope that you guys enjoy your Thanksgiving. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!